Mhm. Yeah.
Ganun lang, something.
Okay, so I got back from my meet and I got second all around, but I didn't do very good and I could have done like a lot better. But during my bar routine, I hit my toes on the bar on my high bar and I like extended all the way out and just like hit my pinky toe, which I had already hit my pinky toe earlier because I just tripped over a springboard. It was pretty stupid, but I got 2 medals and I got second place overall. And this is what my trophy looks like, but they still have to get like the little like plaque things that are getting sent in that say what place you got. And overall I got a 32. And on vault I got a 8.4. And because I didn't stick my vault, and my vault's start value is a 9.6, so I can't get a higher score unless I stick my vault. On beam, I did horrible. I got a 7, like a 7.7, and I fell off twice, and I didn't connect my back walk for, which meant I didn't get my start value scores, so my start value was a 9.5 instead of a 10. So, well, I didn't do horrible, but I didn't get any 9s. I got 3 8s and 1 7. Yeah, and I didn't stick my front on floor, so that was pretty sad. But my floor team is pretty good. So that's kind of it. I don't really have anything to say about this meet. Second on bars, second on beam, didn't place on floor, and didn't place on vault. Okay. Bye, chickens and cupcakes. See you later. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Ding, ding, ding.